The Blackmud Creek is in southwest Edmonton, and it's a moderate-sized creek that flows into the Whitemud Creek, where I walk frequently. I'm told that volume for volume, the Blackmud Creek carries more water than the Whitemud. The area around the Blackmud Creek actually had a past life as a campground, but has since then been overtaken by trees and wildlife. Around us, we started to see signs of spring, like this strawberry plant. As we walked through the area, the grasses hadn't grown very high yet, and this allowed us to see the remnants of the signposts, the light fixtures, and the electrical outlets. In the background, we could hear city noises such as dogs barking and cars driving as urban development has swallowed up and surrounded the area. Overhead, mallards would fly by speedily, chasing after each other, but I was a little too slow with the camera to catch any good footage. The meandering creek has created lots of spots to watch wild birds from, including this male Common Merganser. He swam back and forth, but didn't dive. I guess he wasn't hungry. I also spotted an ominous, large hole in the ground that would be a perfect burrow for a porcupine or a skunk, but I didn't want to find out what might be in there. We moved on around the bank, and I spotted the merganser's mate. She was more active and kept diving, but didn't seem to catch anything. Here she is, swimming with her mallard friend. Sometimes mergansers will lay eggs in the nests of other ducks, but typically other cavity dwellers like wood ducks or other mergansers. This way they don't have to raise their chicks. While I'm not implying that she did that here, it is interesting to think about, and apparently quite common with many species of waterfowl. And unfortunately, the plentiful mallards tend to get targeted because their nests are easy to find. The campground path split in two to form a small island. I was fascinated at how the individual spots look like small nurseries for the young pine trees. We reached the bridge and watched another mallard in the water. On our way back, we stopped at a fallen tree between two of the old campsites to eat some oatmeal cookies. As I gazed around, I wondered how many families had been here, with their kids playing around the trees or feeding squirrels by hand. The campground is gone, but the area continues to provide enjoyment to many. As always, thanks for watching.